Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Chandu Kumbara from Chandu's World, and today I am going to make Rajma curry. This is my dinner. So I have taken 1.5 onions, 2 tomatoes. I have boiled Rajma as well, and the water from the Rajma is taken in this bowl. So we'll get started. Let's show you my cutting skills. These onions are a little bit sweet. These are white onions, and this one is a good one because I'll wash the tomatoes. So I never liked Rajma at all. When I was in India, I was born and brought up in Mumbai. I never liked Rajma. But once I started cooking, I liked it because, Michelin star chef. Cooking is an art, and I am the artist. I put in all the masalas like turmeric, red chili powder, coriander and cumin powder, and a little bit of garam masala. I will put it at the end. And I don't have kasuri methis. I put the rajmas as well. How is it looking, guys? Please comment down. It's turning out to be good, yeah. In India, I never cooked at all. I saw my mom cooking and everything was served by her, so I was having a privilege. But here, you are an underprivileged kid, so you don't have anyone here. You need to cook on your own, and you either become a very good chef, like a Michelin star chef, or you will not cook at all. You will depend on your roommates. So you need to decide which one you want to be. If you want to be a person who wants his stomach to be full and be healthy, you need to learn cooking. And if you want to just be a lazy person and be sick all the time, then don't cook at all. Depend on your roommates, and whenever they cook, you need to eat it. So please comment. So please comment in the comments to tell which person you are. Whether you are a chef or whether you are a lazy person. Please comment in the comments, so we can understand that how many people are actually cooking during their whole day. So my curry is done and dusted. So everything is ready. Rice is already been done and it's in the Instapot. So this is the rice. This Instapot costed me $100 and it's actually useful. You can put the rice and it will go on cooking. So yeah, I will eat it after some time. My sink is blocked at all, and there is a button here. That's the motor that will.
A few moments later.
So this is my plate, white rice with rajma. Have it like this. I'll play something. I'll not be recording. So yeah, that's my cooking and everything for you. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, and you won't share it anyways, so it's fine.